In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a poll on a Facebook business page. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are working from the correct page and not your personal profile. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click on Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage content for your business page. Inside Meta Business Suite, click on Content. Then select Create Post to begin making a new post for your audience. Now open a new browser tab and go to poll-maker.com. This tool will let you create a poll that you can share through your Facebook post. Once the site loads, enter the question you want people to answer. After that, add the answer options for your poll. Make sure your choices are clear and easy to understand so people can respond quickly. When your question and answers are ready, click Create Poll. The site will generate a shareable link for your poll. Copy that link because you will need to place it into your Facebook post. Go back to the Create Post window in Meta Business Suite. Under Post Details, click the three-dot icon to open more features. From the options that appear, choose Link Preview. This will give you a place to add the poll link. Paste the poll link into the link field and wait a moment for the preview to load. Once the preview appears, click Save. This connects the poll to your Facebook post and lets you see how it will look when published. After that, review the feed preview carefully. This is a good time to make sure the correct poll link is attached and that everything looks the way you want before posting it to your page. If everything looks good, click Publish. Your poll post will then go live on your Facebook business page, and your audience will be able to open the link and participate in the poll. This method is useful because Facebook business pages may not always offer a built-in polling option in every posting area, so using an external poll link is a simple workaround that still lets you collect responses from your audience. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.